If you are not hungry, you will not look for food. Until you are hungry, you look for food. So I'm saying that until you don't have money in your pocket, that's when you're going to find a way to make money. So in this video, I want to share with you how I make 2,500 naira online every single day. And I'm not lying, it's not cap, I'm not trying to woo you or anything. I want to share with you exactly what I did. Look, when I was in the university, there was a point in my life when I ran out of money. I had zero money to my name, and then I was like, let me not call. I'm not going to call. So what did I do? That was when I knew that there's actually a way I can make money online. Doing what? What did I do? First, the thing is that I've been trying to experiment by ordering items online, okay, using Jumia, Konga, and Gigi, and all of this stuff. Jumia, all these e-commerce platforms. At the time, I didn't know that what I was doing was actually called e-commerce or drop shipping or stuff like that. So I used to order items myself, pay money online, and then I found out the items I was ordering online were cheaper. Then something struck me. I walked up to one of my friends because look, the quote is this: until you are hungry, you will not look for food. So until you don't have money in your pocket, you will not look for a way to make money. The reason why you are comfortable where you are is because you are receiving free money, free urgent 2K, free this or free that airtime money or this from your parents or from your friends. Until you don't have money in your pocket, this thing that I'm sharing with you might not really make any sense to you. So I walked up to one of my friends because I could tell he's from a rich family and was well to do. I told him, look, give me your money. I'm going to order this particular item that you want to buy outside for a far cheaper amount. You just need to give me like 3 to 5 days and the item will be delivered. He was like, okay, can I trust you with this money? The thing is that the most important thing for anybody that wants to make money is your ability to build trust in people. If you are not someone that they can trust you, they cannot trust you with their money. So find a way to build trust with people. Look, your economic life is tied to your social life. The more better your social life is, that's how much better your economic life is. I'm not talking about going all over the place and telling people this is me, this is me. No. So what did I do? Going back to what I was telling you. So when the guy gave me his money, I ordered the exact same item that he wanted for even a very good price, way cheaper and safer. Not like those ones that I'm telling you, there's genuine quality. So I ordered it for a far lesser price for him. And how much was my payment? How much was my commission? I asked him, look, if I bring this item to you, I'm giving it for free for the first time. But then when you're ordering another item, I'm going to charge you 5% of the exact price of the item. That was how the guy built trust. And up until this day, I'm still doing it for him. So what is the business I'm telling you? By placing orders of people on Jumia, on Konga, helping them order these items. You're not the seller, you're actually acting as an in-between. Let's say as a brokerage. This is a form of brokerage. You don't need money to make money. You just need to know someone that has money and find out who has the service that they want and connect them. So this was how I made money while I was a student, how I was earning 2,500 naira every day, and up until now, I still do it. So I hope that this makes sense to you and that you try it wherever you are. It doesn't really matter where you come from, okay? This is the new market, e-commerce, online business, digital marketing, and I'll see you in the next one.